Morning to you all, my dear pupil. I am going to teach you what is meant by vowel sound, not vowel letters, vowel sound. It is a speech sound. There will be now abstraction while producing it. It is a speech sound. There will be now abstraction while producing it. So this is what you call vowel sound in phonetics. So this is you have to keep in your mind while talking, while reading. We are having 4 basic skills in English, namely L, S, R, W. L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. Writing can be used only through letters, whereas sound can be used only for speaking and listening and pronunciation. While writing or while reading the things, you have to give a good pronunciation, and thereby you could attract the other people with whom you are having your discussion. Before we taught you vowel sounds and letters, here now we are going to have the discussion over consonant letters and sounds, how we are going to pronounce. There are 5 divisions are there. One among the 5 is combination of one consonant sound and one vowel sound. See these 12 letters, one consonant sound and one vowel sound. They are such as B, Yip, E, C, Is, E, D, It, E, F, E, F, G, H, E, L, E, L, M, E, M, N, E, N, P, S, E, S, T, It, E, V, Iv, E. There are 12 combinations under this group. This combination having one consonant sound plus one vowel sound, holding 12 numbers in the phonetic way. The second combination having combination of one consonant sound followed by one diphthongs. Diphthongs means double sound, double vowel. This is what we call diphthongs. We will discuss later on in detailed way. Here the letters are H, not H. H means A is a diphthong, H is a consonant. J, H consonant, A is a diphthong. K, Ik is a consonant, A is a diphthong. Y, U is a consonant, I is a diphthong. This is the second division. Now we are moving to third division. According to the third division, here we are having the combination of 2 consonants sound and 1 vowel sound. The letters are here given Q, Ik, U, X, E, X, Z, Z, yet Z. So these are the third division. Fourth division is trisyllabic. Only one word in English, the phonetic form, trisyllabic consonant letter. The letter is consonant, but we are having 3 syllables according to the sound. The word here is, I have given W, it, a, ib, ill, u. W, only one sound. What do you call? Trisyllabic consonant letter. This is the 4th one, being the last word. Like trisyllabic word, the 5th one is being the consonant letter with only one vowel sound in English. In no way you will find such kind of things in any other language. In English alone we are having, the letter here is consonant R, but English we are pronouncing R, letter, father, mother, brother, sister. Like this we will be pronouncing in a wrong way. This is not a correct way to pronounce. Whenever the letter R is ending with any word, this should not be pronounced. We have to say father, mother, brother, sister, sir, doctor, engineer. Like this we have to, here you have to say ah, not R. Ah is a long sound having 2 dots. So with this we have completed all the 21 consonant sounds, both the letters and sounds, in a big and known way. Thank you all.